My name's Samantha Bramich and I'm a PhD candidate with the Wicking Centre at the University of Tasmania in Australia. I'm also a sleep scientist at the Launceston General Hospital in Tasmania. I started my education studying psychology in a bachelor's degree. I went on to do honours and then fell into a sleep technician role, which really fueled my interest in the impact of sleep on the lifespan. So I went on to study a Master of Sleep Medicine, which has started me off in a PhD as well. So I'm studying sleep in older adults, and we've managed to recruit over 2,000 participants into this research, as we find people in Tasmania are incredibly willing and caring, and they're able to give their time so freely and really interested in contributing to research in Tasmania. My PhD research is investigating a rare sleep disorder called REM sleep behaviour disorder, or IRBD. It's a sleep disorder where people actually act out their dreams. So usually in REM sleep, people are completely relaxed and they cannot move. But in this sleep disorder, something changes in the brain so that they do act out what they're dreaming. Now, we know that around 80% of people with this sleep disorder will go on to develop Parkinson's disease or dementia with Lewy bodies in later life, making it a really early sign of neurodegenerative disease. So my PhD research is actually investigating the prevalence of IRBD in Tasmania, as no prevalence studies have ever been undertaken in Australia before. And we're also going to investigate different profiles in people with IRBD to see if certain changes in their memory and smell and movement could impact on why they progress to dementia or Parkinson's disease, and how it changes the trajectory of their disease over time. I've always been really interested in the mind and psychology, and when I fell into a role as a sleep technician, it really fueled my passion to find out more about how sleep impacts people over the lifespan, as we know that poor sleep and sleep disorders can really trigger other diseases in later life, such as dementia and diabetes and heart disease. So I wanted to pursue that to find out a bit more about why sleep has such a massive role in our life. But then my dad has also recently been diagnosed with dementia, and he has a long work history of shift work combined with sleep apnea. So we know that these factors, combined with a lot of other lifestyle factors such as obesity and smoking, can really heighten people's risk for developing dementia. So when this occurred in our family, it just really sort of grew my passion to figure out how this is happening and how we can prevent it in the future to improve the health of everybody's life in the future. I really enjoy spending time with my family as much as I can, but then I also do have a bit of a passion for baking and reading crime and thriller novels when I have the time outside of all of my research.